Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Ronald Marapon de la Rosa, also known as Bato, is a Filipino politician and retired police officer who is currently serving as a Senator of the Philippines since 2019. He served under the Duterte administration as the Chief of the Philippine National Police from July 1, 2016 to April 19, 2018. Overseeing the government's anti-drug campaign, he also served as the Director General of the Bureau of Corrections from April 30 to October 12, 2018. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Ronald Marapon de la Rosa ay pinanganak noong January 21, 1962 sa Barangay Batu, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur, kina Teodoro D. Amaton de la Rosa Sr. at Anicia Prospero Marapon. His family was dirt poor as his father earned little money working as a tricycle driver. The young de la Rosa worked as a fish market porter and a bus conductor. De la Rosa is a senator who went to Mindanao State University to study for a Bachelor of Science degree in Public Administration. Noong 1982, umalis siya sa MSU upang sumali sa Philippine Military Academy at nagtapos noong 1986 bilang bahagi ng PMA Sinagtala class. Pagkatapos ay nakakuha siya ng Master of Public Administration degree noong 1998 at PhD sa Development Administration noong 2006 mula sa University of Southeastern Philippines sa Davao City. Nagtapos si De La Rosa ng Scout Ranger Orientation Course, Police Intelligence Officer Advanced Course, Police Officers Controllership Course at Police Safety Officer Course. Dumalo rin siya sa mga kurso sa pagsasanay ng FBI Academy at US Army Ranger School sa Estados Unidos at Air Marshal Instructor Course ng Australian Federal Police. Si De La Rosa ay binansagang bato noong una niyang assignment sa Davao when compared by his upperclassmen ang kanyang katawan sa isang bato. De La Rosa is a public servant with more than 3 decades of experience in the executive branch of government prior to joining the legislative branch in 2019 as a Senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Ang paglaban sa paglaganap ng iligal na droga ay matagal ng misyon sa buhay na hindi natinag when he entered the legislative branch. Kabilang sa kanyang priority legislation ang muling pagbuhay at pagpataw ng death penalty para sa mga mag-aangkat, gagawa at maglilinang ng iligal na droga, Senate Bill No. 226, Inclusions of Substance Abuse Prevention Education for Grade School Students, Senate Bill No. 228, and Strengthening the Public Health Approach to Drug Abuse Prevention, Senate Bill No. 513. Kabilang sa kanyang mga nagawang pambatasan sa kanyang unang 2 taon sa Senado, ang pangunguna sa pagpasa ng Republic Act 11589 or BFP Modernization Act at Republic Act 11549, PNP, BFP, BJMP at Bucor Height Equality Act. Aktibo rin siyang lumahok upang matiyak ang pagsasabatas ng Republic Act No. 11479 or the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020. Si De La Rosa ay kinasal kay Nancy Johnson Comandante mula noong 1989 at mayroon silang 3 anak na magkasama. Sa kanyang kasal, ang nooy Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte ay tumayo bilang isa sa mga pangunahing sponsor. Sina Duterte at De La Rosa ay magkakilala mula noong 1986. Inilarawan niya si Duterte bilang pinakamalaking impluwensya sa kanyang karera. Noong May 2017, ang nag-iisang anak na lalaki ni De La Rosa, si Rock, ay pumasok sa Philippine National Police Academy bilang isang kadete. Noong June 19, 2017, naging panauhing pandangal at tagapagsalita si De La Rosa sa pagdiriwang ng ika-156 na anibersaryo ng kapanganakan ni Jose Rizal. Sinabi niya na siya ay kamag-anak ng pambansang bayani sa pamamagitan ng isang karaniwang ninuno na nagngangalang Ines De La Rosa. Si De La Rosa ay isang Katoliko. Sa isang panayam sa radyo noong June 2016 sa DZMM, binanggit ni De La Rosa na madalas siyang umamin upang humingi ng kapatawaran pagkatapos niyang pumatay ng mga kriminal na nagdideklara na siya ay isang no cold-blooded killer. Thank you very much for watching. And according to James Austen, there is a stubbornness about me that never can bear to be frightened at the will of others. My courage always rises at every attempt to intimidate me. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://legacy.senate.gov.ph and https://enwikipedia.org. Photo credits to also to https://en.wikipedia.org. Inspirational quote credits to https://graciousquotes.com.